Some of the ways we've worked with the ICN begins really with a site visit. So I remember even Ariane come out back in 2020 for her site visit with us, and that was great to really get to understand what the ICN is, and from her perspective to understand what our capability is and where we can fit for potential projects. My name is Luke Snecki. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at PRB Manufacturing. We're involved with the CNC cutting, fabrication and assembly of a lot of bespoke components with a focus predominantly on rubber, sponge, foam, plastic, composites and even soft materials such as aluminium. Through the ICN Gateway, we were fortunate enough to be awarded the gasket tender for the Hunter class frigate program. This was something as a group that we were very proud about. We'd put a lot of effort in. And currently we've been through a stage now where we've completed a lot of the prototyping work with them, and hope as the ship sets progress in the future that we'll further collaborate through that side of the project too.
I'm Peter Howard. I'm the Strategic Growth Manager for ICN Precision Manufacturing. We offer a full turnkey manufacturing solution that's compatible across a wide range of industry sectors such as defence, mining, medical, ag-tech and other high-tech industries. So ICN work with ICN in a range of ways. We attend industry briefings and training that's run by ICN, and utilise ICN for help with engagement with projects that are coming up and information about what projects are going to be coming up in the future.
Hi, I'm Sean Flaherty. I'm the Managing Director of GP Engineering. GP Engineering is a national engineering consultancy, and we operate in the sectors of resources, energy and defence. We provide services from advisory and then full project life cycle, from concept design through detailed design and through life support. We have a multidisciplinary service offering which has power, automation and control, mechanical, process, civil and structural and risk and safety engineering. Look, I've been involved with the ICN for, I don't know, probably 20 years plus in a number of companies, and I've always seen the ICN as a great way to collect information about companies and to harness that information for major projects. Certainly small companies there don't have to do all that extra work of trying to do all the pre-qualification time and time again. Having that repository information with the ICN is highly valuable in that environment. I think if you're a supplier, a constructor, that type of company, then the ICN is just a wealth of knowledge. The work packages come out, you can bid for those work packages or qualify through the ICN. So invaluable that the ICN's got its fingers on many projects around Australia, and we can obviously watch all of those. And I see who's winning it, and you see the same names are winning many projects from involved in the ICN. So I'd recommend any company where that part of the supply chain is you would certainly want to be part of it.
My name is Dr. Michael Riese. I am the Manager for Defence Business and R&D at ColdLogic. We are an industrial refrigeration contractor, and I've been with the business now for about 10.5 years. Our clients come predominantly out of the food and beverage industry, with some cold storage and pharmaceuticals thrown in. We also have some manufacturing clients, as well as our dedicated defence division, looking after defence industry and the defence force. We first started engaging with ICN in about 2016 in all earnest. We've had a very good relationship with the consultants, and our biggest win to date is the contracting of the Hunter class frigate program. We've worked very closely with ICN as well as the OEM in the UK to bring this into Australia, and we are really happy with the support that we received from ICN as part of that whole process, because it just meant that we had the conversations that needed to be had and had a sounding board as well as a different channel to discuss issues during the initial tendering phase.
ICN provide visibility across a wide range of projects and industries. They're a really good central resource for what's happening around South Australia, and help give access into projects and areas that we may not necessarily have a lot of working knowledge with at the moment. I think ICN's a fantastic resource. They're very approachable. They have a great knowledge of what's happening in South Australia and help provide access to businesses, small and large, to network together and help to work on these fantastic projects.
Working with the ICN has been incredibly easy. You know, the staff there are incredibly down to earth, and I feel very comfortable engaging with them. I tend to find that as a small SME, we get treated as though, you know, we're on the pedestal with some of the big organisations, and that's great to see. And I would just find that they generally really want to understand who we are and what we do and how we can collaborate with some of those bigger partners. So I've enjoyed working with them so far, and I'll enjoy working with them in the future.